Hello everybody, welcome back to LEGO Worlds. Now today we have to go fly off into another place. While this thing's making so much noise, I cut the audio out from it because it is so annoying. But I'm going to put the audio back in a few seconds. Okay, here we are. Traveling to it even suggests me to click on that one. Okay. Oh. We are exiting the atmosphere. 4545, you down there? Can you hear me? Okay, no? Alrighty then. 3232 4545. No? Alright then. Loading, enhancing, inventing ice cream recipes. This is a neat way of loading. Oh. Oh. Are we already crashing? Pick up, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull, 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 yes, 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 yes.
Prehistoric Peril.
Prehistoric Peril.
Your rocket's thought bubble indicates how many gold bricks you need until you get to the next reward. But not all worlds have a lot of gold bricks on them. Once you think you've collected as many gold bricks as you can from a world, feel free to travel to another one to find more.
Ah, the sky's falling in. Oh, my mistake. It's one of those meteorites again. Cool.
He just said, cool, a meteorite. Oh, how interesting. Oh, I just bought something. Oh, well, let's go ahead and place some of these around.
You should check out that meteorite crash site. There's
I know.
bound to be something useful there.
Yes, I know. I know, computer. I know. Prehistoric area? Right? Oh, ow, my feet.
The landscape tool. The landscape tool gives you the power to reshape the land around you. Raise up a mountain, dig yourself a valley, or flatten an entire village. You have the landscape tool. You have the power.
Oh, what was that green guy at the end there? I think it's gonna be important. I think to see more things like that, I'm gonna need to. This is a nice, interesting structure right here. I love puddles. Oh no! No! Don't stop trying to break everything. Cannot discover yet. Oh. Man, that's okay. I need more wildlife though. Seagulls. Am I losing health as my feet are burning? 'Cause this area seems really hot, apparently. So, there seems to be one gold brick over here. That's Death Mountain from Terraria. I mean, not Terraria. No, from Breath of the Wild. I'm guessing we're going to have to help you out. Oh. So each one's gonna teach me how to use a new thing. He's stuck. You rescue. Me give this.
The landscape tool gives you many choices. Now, choose how to rescue this poor fellow unlocked.
Flatten.
Is that digging a hole? Or it said flatten though, right? Usually these people would run away though. Like, yes, this is definitely
When an area has
okay.
been flattened, it's perfect for building on. Be careful though, because the landscape tool can flatten entire buildings if you're not careful.
As I was saying before the computer rudely interrupted me. Usually they'd run away from you, but this is completely fine. I love a story mode and I love a tutorial. But I bet this is just all teaching a specific tutorial. I bet this is all just a tutorial. And once you're done with it, you're free to do anything, and a huge world combines right into one, and you're just let off into the wild. That's what I'm assuming. Of course, assumptions. So this place is inhabited by you guys. By you cave people. Okay, that cave, not cave, scarecrow, whatever you're called. I smell something yummy. She's stuck. You rescue.
You can
Okay.
choose either to raise or lower terrain. Whichever you go for really depends on the situation. Unlocked.
You
Raise
know-
and lower.
Okay. Let's see here. Higher. Oh. Swap one. Okay, yeah, this is cool. Oh. I did it. I did it. I did it. Ka-ching. I'm gonna be filthy rich.
Please dig the landscape responsibly.
No. Holy moly. I want to place many of these things. Is it going to ask me to tear this down? I don't want to. This is a great fossil. It's a Triceratops.
Cave people. They do tend to get themselves stuck. Now, if you had a tool that could remove terrain, you could help.
Stone. This. Delete. Okay, that actually makes it look cooler. That actually makes it look as a cooler fossil. So I can understand why I should destroy it. Or at least that part. I'm not destroying any more for you guys. Don't make me. Ooh, here we got a new rib cage. Undiscovered. Oh no, it has been discovered. Dang it. This is undiscovered though. Oh, is it? Oh, I don't know. Oh yeah, I just bought it. Let me just buy everything real quick, cause nothing costs a lot. Oh, the yellow stuff means I haven't bought it yet. Okay. Ooh, spider, come here. Let me buy you. I still can't scam the stupid scarecrows. Not scarecrow. Yeah, scarecrows. I was right. Ooh, what are you? Oh, this looks like something from that Halloween biome. He stays one direction. Something happened. Ooh. I don't believe I have ever been able to scan the vines before. Ooh, different type of vines. Okay. Ooh, you think there's something on top? Do you think? Maybe. Well, that didn't work. I face planted. Ooh, ooh. It's turning nighttime. Or actually, it's been the same thing forever, though, right? Ooh, nice little backflip. Nope. Doesn't seem to look like there's anything special on these tall, insignificant trees. Is it gonna erupt? Is that a thing? Oh, please do erupt. Oh. I would be happy if you erupted, though. So feel free to do that whenever. Is this starting to be a dead tree? Looks like it. I mean, it has been exposed to lava, so that's understandable. I'm just looking for anything new to scan. And this is kind of glitching the ground, so I don't know. Oh, I just did a complete circle. Wow. Ooh, this is new. Ooh, there's bound to be something new on the castle. Not castle, where am I getting this from?
There must be a way to bridge this lava. You could use the landscape tool to place some bricks unlocked. Add and remove.
Oh, you dumb caveman. Get the heck over here. Thank you. Ow, my butt.
You could build an island out at sea, or a stairway to the clouds. Your tools, your decision. That volcano looks dangerous. You might want to take this opportunity to get out of here.
I can finally scan him. What are you talking about? What volcano? Am I right? Oh, well, I thought there'd be something cool and important up there, but I guess... Ow. But I guess not. I think I've discovered all I could.
You've found all of the gold bricks on this world.
Yeah,
Well
we're currently
done.
loading though.
Time to move on to another world.
Time to move on to another world. Ah. But how? I don't own anything. Candyland. Candyland. Oh my gosh, it's Candyland. Next time on LEGO Worlds. Thank you for the support, and I will see you in the next video. Heading to Candyland. In the next video. I hope you have enjoyed this. Until next time. Bye-bye.
Candy construction capers.